Hi guys, so Olivia here today in the beautiful evening sunshine. I'm going to do a little workout to strengthen those legs. So I'm going to pretty much do the same as I did last Friday. So 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 squats, and after each squats I'll do 20 lunges and then 12 toe taps each leg. And when I've done that for 2 rounds, the toe taps will then swap to 20 sit-ups for the last 3 rounds. And then when I've done this, I can open my parcel from White Star Running and have a look at my beautiful medal and see which squeaky I got, whether it's a unicorn or a cow. So I've got my drink because it's going to be slightly warm out here, but let's give it a go. All done, guys. So hot out here. So yeah, all done. Feel better for that, but definitely time for a drink. And time to open my parcel. Yay! So, got my parcel. It squeaks. I wonder which one I've got. So this is for the White Star Running lockdown Frolic we did virtually on Saturday. I'll link the video of the race below, and we get a beautiful medal and a squeaky, which, oh, it's so exciting. So got a unicorn squeaky. So much fun. Put that, lie it down, and then I opted for the squirrel medal. So got a squirrel buff, like so, squirrel buff, and then have a beautiful wooden medals that are made locally, so kind of Dorset way I think they're made, if I can get into it. And being White Star, they're going to be ace. So there we have it. A beautiful engraved squirrel. Absolutely beautiful with the White Star ribbon. Oh, that's amazing. So you can kind of see the size of the medal with my hand. So yeah, thank you so much for White Star. Honestly, it was so much fun on Saturday, and highly recommend White Star races. And it was just great, like, it wasn't over, it was virtual. It was great to get with everybody, like all my friends. We were socially distancing and just had a great time. So yeah, so thank you very much, White Star. And just love White Star. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an ambassador, but I loved them before I was lucky enough to become an ambassador. They are just an amazing race. You really got to try White Star. Just absolutely love them. So yeah. So have a great evening, guys. So warm down here in Devon. As usual, if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and whatever you do, hashtag killing it.